Hey guys talaga. So today, I'm going to unbox these packages na dumating kanina. Well, actually not unbox, unpack lang kasi hindi naman yata na-unbox. Yes. These are books that I bought sa TikTok. Mga pre-love na books na na-mine ko sa TikTok. So dumating siya kanina. So join me as I unpack this packages. Let's go! Unahin natin to. These are pocket size yata. Yeah. Grabe yung package. Grabe naman yung package. Kudos sa seller, no? Grabe yung packaging. Naka-fragile pa siya. So these are pocket size na books. Yes, na-mine ko. Wow. Grabe yung packaging. Tada! Grabe yung packaging, no? Kudos talaga sa seller. Naka-cling wrap pa siya. Yes. Okay, mag-flex tayo. My free bookmark. So guys, isa-isayin natin mag-flex. Ayan, this is Carol Smith Family Reunion. Excited ako dito kasi 6 cousins on holiday together, but which one is the murderer? Yeah, ganda. Ganda pa ng ng condition. Siguro ito yung first na babasahin ko. Next. So next is the Cody McFadden. Fadian. Shadow Man, he's watching you. Parang thriller din naman siya. There is worse than death. So, ganda. And next is eto. Kay Kathy Rich, Fatal Voyage. So, na-mind ko siya kasi nabasa ko yung dito, An Horrific Plane Crash, Countless Dead, A Conspiracy of Silence. So, parang, na-intriga. I'm so intrigued with this one. Next, package tayo. Baka nagtataka kayo bakit, magkaiba sila ng packaging. Kasi, iba-ibang seller po yung na-minean ko ng books. Yes. Madami kasi seller sa TikTok. Grabe yung mga packages, yung mga packaging ng sellers. Talagang kudos to them. Safe na safe yung books. Ayan. Naka-bubble wrap. Ito naman, regular size na books. Book pa pala isa. Regular size siya, so mas malapad siya compared dito. Ito, pocket size lang to. This one is regular size. And this is R.G. Adams' Allegation. It's his word against theirs. So, interesting din siya, kaya na-mind ko na. Harrowing, moving, and written with a fearsome authenticity, the story forces the reader to question where the truth lies. Sabi nung Daily Mail. And maganda din yung para siyang brand new actually, parang hindi siya pre-love. Ganda. So again, flex ko lang ulit yung mga books na naman ko. Ayan. Ito siya. These are the pocket size na mga books. So, ito yung first kong babasahin. Family Reunion. May murder din. And allegation. Yan. And next tayo. So, next naman guys is this one. Grabe din yung packaging. Different seller. Pero yung packaging solid pa din. Let's open it. Naka-double package pa siya. Ta-da! I don't know if you can see that. Grab yung packaging, guys. So let's see kung anong books yung na-include sa bundle. Wow, guys, yung packaging solid. Ta-da! Mga regular size na books din to. Again, ito lang sana yung sinasite kong book. Yung kay Alexandra Bracken, In the Afterlife. Kaso, nakabundle siya. So, hindi ako nakapili. Yung seller na yung pumili. Ito yung bundle niya. Yung kay Ali Carter, Only the Good Spy. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Danger, glamour, fun, everything a girl needs. Parang promising din naman. Oh, ano yata to? Series? Hindi ko lang alam. And this one is kay Robert Finn, Ex Machina. O Ex Machina. Ito yata yung movie. Maybe. Ito yata yun. Again, pre-love lang to guys, pero pang brand new siya. And then, eto nga yung In the Afterlife. Ganda ng quality, ganda ng condition ng book. So, very nice. Tada! And, next tayo. Guys, last package tayo. Ayan. Last package na to. And let's open it. Ito na siya. So, these are regular size pa din na books. Tada! Ayan. Oh. Wow guys. Ganda. So, this is Peter James, Want You Dead. Another thriller murder yata. Medyo lang siya. Obvious na pre-love. Pero hindi naman kasi ako maselan sa books. As long as I can read it, right? And next is kay David Baldacci. Long Shadows. It's Payback Time. Another thriller. So, medyo may lang siya dyan. Pero again, it doesn't matter. Kasi as long as I can read naman. So guys, all in all, I bought 9 books. Ayan. 9 books. Ayan. Sa TikTok lang siya. Mga pre-love books. So, yan. Thank you guys.